A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is strengthening the cosmic interface, dissolving distractions and awakening energy. Ladies and gentlemen, in the architecture of the universe, everything is energy, flowing, transmitting, receiving. The human brain, too, is a finely tuned processor in this grand cosmic network. Yet, modern life, with its unending stimuli, stress and pressures, overloads this delicate system. The result is a mind in perpetual motion, seldom at rest, struggling to reflect, to feel, to connect. When at its best, the brain is a sacred bridge, a cosmic interface, designed not just for thought, but for awareness, intuition, and alignment with the deeper frequencies of the universe. But when flooded with distractions, this connection weakens. The system overburdens and overheats. The signals blur and clarity fades. The demands of today's world, emotional, physical, digital, aspirational, exhaust the brain's energy reserves. Overthinking, unresolved emotions, and negative environments compound this depletion. Like a computer overwhelmed by too many open applications, the mind slows, glitches, and loses responsiveness. Rational thought gives way to reactive behavior. Presence gives way to noise. This is not a flaw in the human design. It is a call for recalibration. Scientific and neurological studies reveal that the brain operates in wave patterns, and these waves shift in response to sunshine, rest, meditation, deep nasal breathing, physical activity, good nutrition, and intention. Ancient traditions knew this intuitively, prescribing stillness, breathwork, prayer, gratitude, aligning daily routine with circadian rhythm, positive and purposeful acts, harmony with nature, and surrender as a tool, not of escape, but of optimization. The cosmic interface is not a metaphor, it is a literal energy phenomena. Thought itself is frequency. Emotion is energy in motion. When the inner field is clouded by distractions and stored negativity, the signal gets distorted. What gets transmitted is confusion, and what gets received is distortion. But when the mind is reset, even briefly, through conscious practice, a miracle begins. Negative charge dissolves. The brain cools. Stillness is created, not as absence, but as energetic alignment. In that moment, the system becomes available again to listen, to receive, to interpret, and to transmit in harmony with the cosmos. What's the way forward? The solution is not a one-time act, but a living discipline, a sustained practice of dissolving distractions. Just as muscles need regular movement, the brain needs regular clearing. One thought at a time, one breath at a time. The mind must learn to process and release, not hold and replay. Modern tools, neuroscience, mindfulness, biofeedback now validate what ancient mystics long taught. The more regularly the brain returns to balance, the more capable it becomes of hosting insight, creativity, and cosmic intelligence. Each practice of reflection, breath, gratitude, or silence raises the brain's energetic state, and in that elevated state, the human system doesn't just survive chaos, it transforms through it. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in the epic movement of Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna stood paralyzed, not by lack of skill, but by the noise within. Doubt, emotion, fear, all clouded his clarity. It was only when he dissolved that inner fog through the divine presence of Lord Krishna that his purpose realigned, his courage returned, and his path lit up. This is the story of every modern mind faced with constant noise, distractions, and emotional overload. The brain loses its natural rhythm. But stillness is not an escape. It is the power center where clarity begins. This stillness is not silent emptiness. It is active energy built over time through conscious practice. Each act of breathing deeply, letting go of mental noise, pausing with gratitude, and aligning with purpose generates positive energy. And this energy, like a gentle current, begins to clean, balance, and replenish the system. When enough positive energy accumulates, the mind stabilizes, thoughts find order, negativity dissolves, a state of inner neutrality emerges, not empty, but ready to receive the subtle signals of the cosmos. This is not just possibility, it is design. The human system is wired for it, but it must be practiced with intention, daily, sincerely, joyfully, as a sacred discipline. For in that space, thought becomes light and energy becomes a bridge between the individual and the infinite. That is the true cosmic interface, where one does not just think but listens, not just reacts but receives, not just strives but surrenders. And from that surrender, strength is born. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.